Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do a problem that has parentheses. And we are going to use the distributive property. Okay, and what we are doing with this is we are multiplying, and you always have to get rid of parentheses first. So let's say we had this problem right here. Well, the first thing you always want to do, if there is no number in front of x, you're going to put a 1. And we're going to make a rainbow. So the 2 is going to go to that 1x first. So we're going to multiply. What is 2 times 1x? Well, 2 times 1 is 2, and you have to keep the x. And then 2 times a positive 3. Make sure you look at this positive sign here, okay? 2 times positive 3 is a positive 6. And so let's try another one. Let's say, let me add another page here. Let's do 5 parentheses 6x minus 4. So I don't need to place a 1. So we're going to do 5 times 6x. We're going to multiply. So 5 times 6 is positive 30. And then since it has an x, we keep the x. And then we're going to do 5 times negative 4. And so that's negative 20. So you have to remember we are multiplying. You have to multiply into it. Okay? Now, if there is no number in front, so let's say I had a negative parentheses 5x minus y. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to put a 1 here, and you're going to put a 1 there. You always want to put a 1s in front. And we're going to do the same thing, make our rainbows, and we're multiplying. So negative 1 times 5 is negative 5, keep your x. And then we're going to do negative 1 times negative 1. Well, multiplying property says a negative times a negative is a positive. And so 1 times 1 is 1. Why? Now, can we add these two together? No, because they are different variables, different letters. So remember, when you see parentheses, we are multiplying, and this is called distribution. Distribution, the distributive property, and we're using distribution to get rid of the parentheses.